Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemon muffins. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, the star of the show, 1 medium lemon for its zest and juice. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's get mixing. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, combine the milk, oil, egg, vanilla, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir gently until just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. With your batter perfectly mixed, it's time to bake. Carefully divide the batter evenly among the 12 prepared muffin cups. Each cup should be filled about 2/3 full to ensure they rise beautifully without overflowing. Place the muffin tin into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when they're golden brown, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the tin for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. Your delicious lemon muffins are almost ready. While they cool, consider adding an optional lemon glaze for an extra burst of flavor. Simply whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice until smooth. Once the muffins have cooled completely, drizzle this delightful glaze over the tops. These homemade treats are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Serve them warm or at room temperature and savor every bite of your easy-to-make lemon muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.